lion's wings, they did darken the sky. His roar, fury's fire, and his scale sharpened sights. Men ran and they cowered, and they fought and they died. They burned and they bled as they issued their cries. Dovakim, naloksim los varim, wadain vokul mavera kastvar. Alfinoro pal gran fod nostrom sindrosan, Dovakim fachin